River's pretty high here. It's usually down about 6 or 7 feet there. What do you think, Hunter? A lot of water, huh? Stupid ducks. Let's go there. Let's go back. Where the water comes out of the levee. It's pouring out. As long as it keeps flowing out, we're okay. We're okay anyway. This ice has to break up. Daisy, get over here. See, the river comes all the way from the other side, about a quarter mile that way, and dumps in here. And then it overruns over here where it's at its shallowest. And goes back over there, dumps into the creek, and goes into the river. These guys have done this a few times. It's almost up to my knees here. You can see, this is pretty deep. What you don't want to do is go over that way. Matter of fact, it looks, if you look at the tree line, it looks like it's already come down a little bit. If I step in a hole, then it's over my boots. See? Anyway, it's come down somewhat. It's a lot deeper. Just gotta stay flowing. We're okay. Okie doke. Anyway, here's the big flood. It's what we gotta look out for. The big ice chunks. They're busting up.